how to change your name on Yahoo. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Yahoo easy and fast. So first thing you have to do is go to mail.yahoo.com. This is the homepage of Yahoo Mail, as you can see. Now all what you have to do to change your name is go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here. Now it will take you to this page, and right here you will find the option to change your name. From here just click edit and now change your name as you want and click done right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.